out of Lowe's, guys. Nabili namin. Ayan. Going to Lowe's to get some stuffs for our plant. What you gonna get, baby?
Plants and seeds.
Not plants, seeds only.
Seeds for plants.
Pots.
And potties.
Okay, let's go, guys.
Let's go to the garden to love.
Bibili kami, guys, ng pots kasi magtatanim kami ni Cory.
Oh, those are regular pots, right?
Daming plants dito. Wala masyadong tao kasi anong oras na? 4:59 na pala dito. They have this one. I think this is the smallest, baby. 248 each. How many do we need?
There's 5.
There's bigger ones up there. So we'll get seeds.
Well, one time.
Gaganda ng mga halaman dito.
Let's see,
They have the organic seeds.
they have sweet banana peppers,
You want
organic
peppers?
LOE. They have organic sugar pot, snow
They
pea.
have a yellow
They have-
squash.
they have
Oh,
carrot.
tomatoes.
They have California red peppers. They have green wave mustard.
We could get some peppers or jalapeno.
One cherry.
Bell pepper. There's a
One
bell pepper right there.
There we go.
No, not the bell pepper.
No, this one. Oh, jalapenos.
Pepper.
It's jalapenos. Want to get jalapenos?
Yeah, if you want to. Yeah, we can do jalapeno.
You said tomatoes? What tomatoes?
What
These
colors?
ones or these ones?
Red cherry. Si Mr. Okay. Let's go pay it. We are still here, guys. Okay. Laki ng Lowe's. We are out of Lowe's, guys. Nabili namin, ayan, pots, and then spray bottle. Dito pa yung mga nabili namin, guys. I-haul na lang natin mamaya. Ito na bayaran sa Lowe's is $23.85 na damage. Not bad. Dito na tayo, uwi na tayo, guys. Going.
A few minutes later.
Hi guys, we are here.
Hello.
We are home, guys. So,
Yeah.
mag-haul tayo. So ito yung nabili namin sa Lowe's, yung spray bottle. It's like, how much was it? $3.99.
$3.99.
Yeah. And then
we got Molly. Say hi, Momos.
Molly's outside hanging
Hanging out with us.
in a have this 5 pots. Ayan. How much was it? Like 250, huh?
Yeah.
So we paid like 10.50 I think for all of it.
Thank you. Here's the parts for
tatanim kami ng ito, dalawang ano,
248 each.
yeah, 248, so parang 250 na rin. Ayan, organic seeds, jalapeno pepper. Ayan, nasa 299 ito siya guys. At saka ito is organic seeds din siya. Beef stick tomato. Ayan, 299 din. So we paid like $23 doon sa Lowe's. Ayan, 23 bucks sa Lowe's. And then pag-haul tayo na pabili namin sa Ross. Ayan, nakakita po doon ng, ayan guys, oh ganda ng bag sa Lowe's, sa ano, sa Ross pala.
Molly's gonna go inside.
Nasa 20 bucks ito guys. Di ba ang ganda of summer? Mag-beach kami. Pasok na si Marley kasi hindi nakikinig. Bye Marley! Pinasok ni Corey kasi kulit niya dito sa labas. Tapos towel para sa kitchen. Palitan namin yung towel namin doon. Nasa 5 bucks ito guys. Kitty pattern. 2 piraso. Next is ayan, chinelas. 5.5, 40.99. Ayan. Summer na pang chinelas guys. Panggala.
Jelly pop. We haven't ordered that.
Resibo. Tapos nakabili din ako ng tops. Nasa 12 bucks to. $9 pala. Ayan. Sa Ross. $9 yan. Small size. And then we have this humabol ng chocolate chip hazelnut cookies. Paborito niya. This, okay. Girl dealing. And then ako naman humabol ng quadratini chocolate. Masarap ito guys, yung parang wafer siya. Nasa ano to siya? Nasa $4. Yan yung price ni Habi. So yung, ay ito pa pala. We got this from Ross also. Ang ganda guys. Ayan. Spice Rack 20 jar. Ayan, ang ganda. I-set up natin mamaya. How many? 20 jars inside guys. Ang ganda. Nasa ano na lang to siya.
And the jars are
$26.99. Diba? Ang ganda. I love it. Sa Ross yan. So, yung bayaran namin sa Ross is $87.40. Ayan. Rock plant. Para sa tanim namin guys. So, magkano yan? How much is 30? Nasa 29.99 siya with tax. Nasa 32 and 73 cents naman. Sa Didis namin ito nabili. Originally, $60. Siya guys, yung rack na yan, lalagyan ng plant. Foldable siya. How do you fold it, Pamela?
like that.
Corey will show you guys.
Like this side, like this.
Yeah, yeah. Ganda, no?
And then
awesome. Ayan, set up natin yung tanim natin dyan pag nakaplant na kami. Marley, say hi. What are you doing, Marley? Hey, what are you doing? Marley, get out there. Snip siya na. Ay,
Hey.
don't eat that.
Don't eat it, love. Oh.
Kain niya yung dirt, guys.
Come on.
Oh my God. Uwi ka na. Balik ka na. So, ito pala yung tanim ko dito, guys, sa likod. Yan. Nabubuhay pa siya. Yung, ano ba yan? Parang kamote siya. Or kangkong ba to? Parang kangkong ba to? Tapos, yung spring onions ko, ayan, tinunan ko na siya. Tatlong ano lang yan. Hindi siya namamatay. Last year pa yan siya, guys. May compost kasi itong soil na yan. Yan lang siya sa malaking pot na yan.
Hello, welcome back to the video.
What you gonna do?
And today's video, we're gonna be unboxing a spice rack that we just bought. 20 George spice rack.
Okay, spice.
Yes, it's a 20 George spice rack. I gotta get it open. And then we got the spice rack itself. And then we got it for a pretty good price.
$30.
Yeah, it's a regular
$60.
spinny spice rack.
It's
Spinny.
spinning now. Let's go.
And they also come with the spices too. So there's 20 in total. So here's one packet.
What are those?
Those rosemary, dillweed, cilantro, savory, thyme.
Okay.
That's one box.
Let me help you open.
And then the other box would be of the Provence pizza seasoning, salt, Italian seasoning, and oregano. The other box, there's basil, crushed mint, marjoram, parsley, celery salt.
So it has different grams, guys, or what they call ounces.
The last box is chives, sea salt, bay leaves, coriander, and fennel seeds, whatever that is.
Okay.
So there's 4 boxes in total.
Okay. 20.
And
20 jars.
we got the
Nutrition
facts right here.
So let's open it, guys. Dami pa ni Habing.
Yeah, let's open it.
Chat. Just open it.
Yeah. If I could open it,
I could.
I think it's childproof.
So I got here the thyme. So the thyme is 32 ounces, 9 grams. So guys.
Right here is the fennel seeds. That is 0.92 ounces, 26 grams.
This is savory, and this is 46 ounces and 13 grams.
This one is coriander. That one is 0.71 ounces, 20 grams.
And this one is rosemary, which is 71 ounces, 20 grams.
And we have bay leaves over here. That one is 0.63 ounces, 18 grams.
And this one is dill weed, which is 12 grams and 42 ounces.
And this one is chives. That one is 0.11 ounces, 3 grams.
And last one is cilantro, which is 21 ounces, equivalent to 6 grams.
And right here, the last one I have is sea salt. That is 2.54 ounces, 72 grams. And let's go on to the next box.
Yeah, next box tayo guys. Yan, nakalabas na. Let's unbox it.
Okay, this one is Moduram. I think I'm pronouncing it right. I don't know. That one is 0.18 ounces, 5 grams.
This one is, in this box that I opened, is seasoning salt, which is, seasoning salt is 65 grams, 2.29 ounces.
This one is basil. That is 0.39 ounces, 11 grams.
And this one is herbs de Provence, which is 35 ounces, equivalent to 10 grams.
And then we have crushed mint. Crushed mint is 0.32 ounces, 9 grams.
And mine is Italian seasoning, which is 18 ounces, equivalent to 5 grams.
And then mine is parsley. And parsley is 0.14 ounces, 4 grams.
And this one is oregano, which is 18 ounces and 5 grams.
The last one I have is celery salt. That is 2.29 ounces, 65 grams.
And the last one of mine is pizza seasoning, which is 18 ounces, equivalent to 5 grams. We will set up everything.
So pizza
For you
seasoning
guys.
will be right there. All the salt stuff, or seasoning stuff.
Those are seasonings.
Then rosemary. Yes, everything's inside.
Oh, nice. That is pretty cool. 20 jars, huh?
Yes, 20 jars.
That is awesome. You love it?
I love it.
And it's so nice, guys. So, hindi na tayo mahirapan ng mga seasoning. Ayan na. Complete na ang seasoning. We'll throw all the other stuff that we got before, huh? And humirit na. Kumain na kanyang, what do you call that one? Cookies.
Chocolate chip hazelnut cookies made with Ghirardelli. It's
Marley!
pretty good.
Marley, ayan, nagamit na namin yung kitty. Ayan yung kitty towel, guys.
We got Izzy, Minnie, and Molly.
Ayan, nilalaro na ni Marley yung seasoning thing. Ay, it's not a good idea there, my love. Si Marley, guys. Marley, say hi, baby. Yan yung pisto niya dyan sa counter. Marley, oh my God. Okay, say bye. Thank you for watching. See you in our next one. Bye. Show me your name. Your name is right there, Marley. Say bye, guys. Thank you for watching.